Are you thinking about becoming a licensed insurance adjuster in Texas? The first step is choosing the right adjuster license class. With several options available, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we're breaking it down for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to pick a class that fits your schedule, learning style, and career goals. Let's start with the types of classes. In Texas, you can choose from online, in-person, or hybrid classes. Online classes are flexible. You can complete coursework at your own pace anytime, anywhere. In-person classes give you face-to-face interaction with instructors and peers, which is great for asking questions and networking. Some schools even offer a combination, letting you pick what works best for you. Next, think about self-paced learning. This is perfect if you have a busy schedule. You can study early in the morning, late at night, or on weekends. Plus, you can review materials as many times as you need, take practice quizzes, and ensure you're fully prepared before the licensing exam. Flexibility like this can make a huge difference in your success. Your schedule and lifestyle play a big role in choosing the right class. If you have work or family commitments, online or self-paced classes might be your best bet. If you thrive in structured environments, in-person classes may suit you better. Think about how many hours per week you can dedicate and pick a class that fits seamlessly into your life. Another important factor is support availability. Learning isn't always easy, and having access to instructors or mentors can make a big difference. Some classes also offer online forums or discussion groups where you can ask questions and connect with other students. Strong support will help you stay motivated and confident throughout your learning journey. Now let's talk cost versus value. Tuition fees vary from a few hundred to several $1,000s. Some classes include study materials, exams, and additional support, while others may charge extra. Consider the long-term benefit. Investing in a high-quality course can help you pass your licensing exam and secure a well-paying adjuster job in Texas. When evaluating costs, also consider potential earnings. Licensed adjusters in Texas can earn $50,000 to over $100,000 annually, depending on experience and type of work. A $1,000 investment in a comprehensive class can pay off quickly when it helps you launch a career with strong earning potential. It's also crucial to understand state requirements and compliance. Texas requires at least 30 hours of training, passing the state exam, and submitting your application via Sircon. Different license types, like property, casualty, or workers' compensation, have their own requirements. Make sure your chosen class covers the type of license you want. You'll also need to navigate Texas insurance regulations. Knowing the Texas Insurance Code and TDI rules ensures you stay compliant and avoid issues in your career. Understanding these laws will give you confidence in your work and help you provide professional service to policyholders. Career advancement is another consideration. Many adjusters pursue certifications like Certified Adjuster CA or Senior Claims Law Associate SCLA. Your pre-license class should prepare you not just for the exam, but also give you the foundation for these advanced certifications and career growth. Finally, evaluate the quality of the institution and instructors. Experienced instructors provide insights from real-world scenarios, personalized feedback, and guidance on exam preparation and career planning. Choosing a reputable school like Texas Insurance Training Academy gives you the tools to succeed and build a strong professional reputation. In summary, choosing the right adjuster license class in Texas requires considering class type, schedule flexibility, support, cost, state requirements, and career goals. With the right course and support, you'll be ready to pass your licensing exam and start a successful career as a licensed insurance adjuster. Take the first step today and enroll in a top-notch adjuster license class.